Hello. Today we are, or tonight, sorry.
Hey guys.
We're going to be doing the Whisper Challenge. And just in case you don't know what that is, we're going to put on our headphones. Make sure you have headphones. And put the music on really, really, really loud.
And then the other person is going to say a sentence. And the person with the headphones on is going to try to guess the sentence.
Alright. I'll go first. Ready?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Ready? Yeah, you ready? John poops parrots perfectly. I said John poops parrots perfectly. John.
Put emphasis in your mouth.
John poops parrots perfectly.
John
poops parrots perfectly. Perfect.
What did you say?
I said John poops parrots perfectly.
Let's guess that.
Okay, now it's my turn. Give me the phone.
What, this one? This one?
Down.
This one?
Okay, hold on.
I'll wait for you.
Okay, go.
Can you hear me?
Huh?
Can you hear me?
I can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
I can't hear you.
Okay. Oh, what should I say? I can hear the music from it. It's so loud. Two turtles tied tickets together.
I look like cookies.
Two turtles tied tickets together.
I used some leather.
Two turtles tied tickets
Okay, I give up. What'd you say?
together.
What'd you say?
Two turtles tied tickets together.
Oh, okay. I was like, what the heck is he saying? I thought I saw cookies in there.
Cookies.
Yeah, I thought I saw the word cookies in there. That's why I said cookies.
Okay. Hold on. Alright.
Can you hear me?
Yes. I haven't started the music. Tell me when to start.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Turn it up all the way. Hey. Hey, can you hear me?
Huh?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. This, can you hear me? Dolphins poop yogurt. I said dolphins poop yogurt. Can you hear me? Try to guess this.
Ice cream?
No.
Alright, my turn. Hey, no.
Alright, our special guest star, my Theo. He's listening to music right now. And I'm about to say a sentence. Tell him when to go. 1. Okay. 2, 1. Okay. I drank Coke at the beach this morning. Why'd you play some music?
You said it right?
Yes, you gotta keep them on and try to guess. I keep saying it.
Oh, okay. Well, I go.
I drank Coke at the beach this morning.
Okay. Are you done?
Yes.
Are you done? Can I turn it off?
No, try to guess it.
Huh?
Try to guess what I said. Guess what I said.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
You said, I drink Coke and piss a lot in the morning.
No.
You said?
No.
What'd you say?
I said I drank Coke at the beach this morning.
Oh.
Okay. My turn. Tell me when you're ready. I'll tell you when I'm ready. Alright.
You ready? 3, 2, 1. Damien likes ugly girls.
Damien likes fluffy curls.
Damien likes ugly girls.
Damien likes ugly girls. Yeah! I did it! What I missed? I said what I missed. What the heck?